Hey there viewers. Are you working out every day and still not seeing results? Muscles are built in the kitchen, not the gym. We tend to search for food in the fridge, even when you are not hungry. If you're trying to get in shape, this could really hurt your progress. Especially if you're not eating the right foods. In today's video, let's discuss muscle building foods you need to fill your fridge with. Do hummus build muscles? What about berries and cheese? We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are cheap, as low as 25 cents each, nutritional powerhouses containing all 9 essential amino acids and about 8 grams of protein. They also have a good amount of vitamin B12, which is necessary for fat breakdown and helps your brain and muscles communicate for better contraction during lifts. Number 2. Cottage cheese. Besides offering a complete amino acid profile, cottage cheese contains a solid amount of whey and casein protein, says certified sports nutritionist Tony Ritchie, CDC, Fission, CS, PES, CDN. Its higher casein levels help to slow protein kinetics, which can help to keep a positive nitrogen status for a longer duration. This creates the ideal environment to grow new muscle tissue. Number 3. Avocados. Eating half an avocado can lower your desire to snack afterward by 40%, according to a study in the Nutrition Journal. They also have plenty of ALA, a precursor to omega-3s, which can help reduce delayed onset muscle soreness. Number 4. Berries. Berries are a low glycemic food, which curbs cravings and blood sugar crashes. They are also a top antioxidant, helping repair damaged muscle tissue and calm inflammation to speed up recovery. Any berry will do. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are always winners. Number 5. Plain Greek yogurt. This healthy dairy product has twice the protein of regular yogurt to help with muscle repair as well as lower levels of sugar and salt. Skip the fruit-flavored brands and add your own berries and nuts. Number 6. Salmon. To build bigger muscles, you need to feed them protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s can improve recovery because they help increase the rate of muscle protein synthesis, according to a 2011 study. Wild salmon also delivers a solid punch of vitamin D, 988 IU per 3.5 ounces serving, which is almost 2/3 more than the IDA of 600 IU. Vitamin D can promote strength as well as fuel weight loss. One study found that vitamin D improved peak power after just 4 weeks of resistance training and helped reduce waist-to-hip ratio among overweight men after 12 weeks. Number 7. Spinach. Swedish scientists have found that nitrate, a compound abundant in spinach, can build and tone muscle. Spinach also is a great source of folic acid, which repairs DNA and helps to produce new red blood cells, and is rich in magnesium, which is needed to maintain normal muscle and nerve function. Always choose raw spinach. Cooked spinach loses some of its nutrients. Number 8. Milk. Milk is the ideal beverage to boost mass and aid with recovery. It contains both casein and whey proteins, which when combined can increase the muscle protein synthesis needed to promote growth. Research found that drinking post-workout milk produced more lean muscle mass than either soy protein or carbohydrates. Number 9. Hummus. You need a near equal balance of protein and carbs after workouts to support recovery. The combination of protein and carbs in hummus may be particularly beneficial for slow steady carbohydrates release into bloodstream, which is really good to consume for a window of about 2 hours and more before training and 2 hours or more post-training. Carbohydrates in hummus are released slowly into the bloodstream, which ensure your muscles are fed hours after training. So grab that spoon of hummus and spread it on that delicious pita bread. You will definitely see a change in your muscle growth. What are some other muscle-friendly foods you eat? Let us know in the comments below.